What are positive affirmations? You've probably seen positive affirmations across social media, posters, and cards. They're all over Facebook and Instagram, and they can seem a little cheesy sometimes. But did you know that positive affirmations can actually be powerful tools for change? What are affirmations, and how do they work? Simply put, affirmations are anything you say or think. They make up a large part of the mind talk that everyone has running in their heads all the time. We all use affirmations, though we don't do it consciously. This allows our default negative thoughts to run our lives. Think about the messages that are part of your regular self-talk. Do you have kind, positive, encouraging self-talk, or does your inner critic dominate with harsh words or criticism? Many of your messages will have been seeded during your childhood. Were you encouraged and supported to give it your best shot, or were you told you were lazy or no good? Those messages are still affecting your current mindset. Whether you have a positive or a negative script running through your mind, those thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. Negative thoughts feed self-doubt and discourage you from trying to reach your full potential. If you believe you're no good at giving presentations, you're not going to feel confident enough to give it your all. Change up your self-talk. The good news is that you can change your self-talk by choosing to use positive affirmations to rewire your brain to have a positive mindset. The process is pretty straightforward if you stick to some basic rules. 1. Always use the present tense. Your brain reacts in the moment, so make that moment as positive as you can. 2. Keep it positive and simple. Saying short positive phrases like, I am calm, is much more effective than telling yourself, I mustn't get upset. 3. Use repetition. If you repeat your affirmations regularly and consistently, you will strengthen those neural pathways in the brain. Your habitual patterns of thought and belief will become more positive. Try to repeat your chosen affirmations 3 times a day for at least 5 minutes. Choose to change your life. You have the power to choose your life experience. Whatever you tell yourself affirms that you want to have more of it in your life. So if you're angry or resentful, you're setting yourself up for more of that in your life. If you're confident and hopeful, if you expect things to go well, then that's precisely what will happen. You can choose to feel good and positive about your life. Using conscious affirmations is a great way to start making those positive changes today.